Making a quick little video, just showing you the symptoms of a bad starter. So pretty much, I put the key inside, push to start, nothing happens. All you hear is click. You just hear a clicking sound in the engine. So pretty much what you want to do is grab a long flathead between the intake manifold. You're going to want to grab a bar, have somebody turning on the vehicle and somebody tapping the starter. The starter's under the intake manifold right here. So what you want to do is grab something long, similar to this, going down there and hitting the starter. So you'll see the car try to turn over. So once you hit the starter, you'll get the gears to go back into place and try to get it to spin to turn the engine. So that's one way to diagnose the starter. In this case, I was hitting it, and somebody was turning on the ignition, and the car did want to start, but it didn't turn over. So that's a indication of the starter. So now I have to try to pull out the starter so I can get it to go get it rebuilt. This is what you have to do pretty much to get to your starter. Remove the intake manifold. So just doing a little overview. I'm not doing a how-to. So here's the inside of where the injectors on the fuel, the combustion chamber. So that's how mine look like in the inside. Pretty cool, pretty nice. There's oil right here. The starter's right here, in the back there, where the light's facing, right here. So that's what we have to get out. Now after replacing your starter, your car should start now. So step on the brake pedal, and then push the button to start. And there you go. That's how I fixed my starter. The symptoms was no power to the car, or no, it has power, but the engine did not turn over. So I replaced my starter and it solved my problem.